Hello everyone, I am Annie and welcome back to Edunix Academy. In our last video, we learned about polynomials and their types. Today we are going to explore something even more interesting. Do you know what is degree of a polynomial or what we can mean by coefficient, factors and exponent? And very importantly, how can we tell if a mathematical expression is a polynomial or not a polynomial? In this session, I will explain all the concept with simple definitions and easy examples so you can understand them without any confusion. Stay with me till the end and you will be able to confidently identify the polynomials and their properties in just a few minutes. Let us now discuss about degree, coefficient, factors and exponent. These are four very basic, uh, very important things that is required to define a polynomial. Okay. So what is a degree? So degree is the highest power of a variable in the polynomial. For example, if I write a polynomial x cube plus y square plus x and y is equal to 2. So here highest power of the variable is 3. Highest power of the variable is 3. So the degree of the polynomial is 3. Similarly, if I discuss about coefficient, it is the numerical value. Numerical means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the natural numbers that is multiplied with the variable. For example, 5 into x. Here 5 is a numerical value and x is a variable. So 5 is multiplied with x. So here 5 is coefficient. Again come to factor. Factor is very important thing. It is a mathematical expression that are multiplied together to form a polynomial. For example, x square minus 9. Here this is a mathematical expression, but it is this x square minus 9. This can be written as x square minus 3 square. As you know that a square minus b square is nothing but a plus b whole into a minus b. So here this x square minus 9 can be written as x plus 3 into x minus 3. So this x plus 3 and x minus 3, these are the factors of the expression x square minus 9. Next come to exponent. Exponent is nothing but the variable of the power of the variable. For example, y to the power 6. So this power is known as the 6. The exponent of y6 is 6. So it is nothing but it is the power of a variable. Next comes to discuss about the conditions which is very essential to express a polynomial. Means we have to know different conditions which is very important whether the mathematical expression is a polynomial or not a polynomial. So these are the conditions. First condition is it must contain some variables and constant. For example, x plus y is equal to 5. So x and y, these are two variables separated by plus sign, equal to 5. 5 is a constant. So this is a very basic example, very simple examples to define a polynomial. It must contain variables and a constant. Second condition is that the exponent of the variables must be non-negative integer. That means if I take a example x square plus y square is equal to 4. So here exponent is a positive number, means it should be a non-negative numbers. But if I write x to the power minus 2 plus y to the power minus 2 is equal to 4. So this particular mathematical expression is not coming under polynomial. So to be a polynomial, the second condition is very important that the exponent of the variables must be non-negative integers. Third condition is no variables should be present in the denominator. If I write 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to, for example, 5. So here x and y both are variable, they are present in the denominator. But this particular expression is not coming under a polynomial because the variables are present in the denominator. Fourth condition is no variable should remain inside the root. Means if I write square root of x plus square root of y is equal to 4, this particular expression is not satisfying the condition for a expression to be a polynomial because the variables are reside inside a square root. So this, if you get this type of expression, you cannot define or you cannot say this particular expression is coming under polynomial. So polynomial has some strict rules. Five condition is coefficient should be a real number. Means coefficient means this 2. So here 2 is a positive number. It is a real number. Real numbers means starting from 0 to onwards towards infinity. And second, the final condition is it should be a finite. It should have a finite numbers of terms. Means it should be a finite sequence. For example, x plus y plus z is equal to, for example, 8. So it is a finite terms. There are finite terms. There are together 4 terms. 4 is finite number. So a polynomial should follow this finite expression. So these are the basic conditions required to define a mathematical expression to be a polynomial. So in this today's class, we learned about degree, coefficient, factors, and exponent in the polynomials. Also discussed about the important conditions required to define a mathematical expression to be a polynomial. I hope this video made the topic clear and easy for you. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. In the next video, we will discuss all the problems of your textbook. Thank you.